Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can limit interactions from someone on Instagram without having to unfollow or block them. So in here, you can start by open your Instagram apps and then head to your profile, click on your photo at the bottom, and then go to the menus here, click on the three lines, then just scroll down until you find this restricted under the how others can interact with you section. So tap on the restricted. So if you need a break from someone, you can use this feature restrict. So they won't be able to tag you, mention you, or remix your content. And also they won't see when you're online or when you've read their messages. So their messages to you will be moved to message requests, and only you and they will be able to see their new comments on your reels and posts. So you can just tap on next. Then in here, if you want to add someone, you can just click on search and then just type in someone that you want to block, you want to restrict. For example, here I'm going to find someone. Okay, after that you can just click on the restrict button. This one's right here, the blue one. And just like that, the account has been restricted. You can just go back and that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.